Patient advance directives. This is someone to appoint someone in order to make decisions regarding your health. For example, if the patient is suffer from Alzheimer's disease, then he or she cannot make his or her health decisions. So he or she has to appoint someone who can make his or her decisions. इसी तरह अगर इंसान उम्र के उस हिस्से में चला गया है जहाँ पे उसे भूलने की बीमारी हो गई है, तो वहाँ पे एडवांस डायरेक्टिव्स का इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है. Now this is a legal document which is applicable in different states of the world, but not in Pakistan. This actually tells about the wishes of the patient to the physician, that whether they want to donate their organ to anyone, or this can be about the treatment plan. So according to different circumstances, we have divided advance directives into two forms. It can be either general or it can be detailed. If we talk about the general advance directives, then it can include the donation of a kidney or of cornea of an eye to other patient, or it can be advance directive can be detailed when we want to make a treatment plan regarding our health, then it will be a detailed legal document. Now there are two types of advance directives. The first one is known as living will, in which the patient talk about the discuss about the treatment plan. For example, if the patient is suffering from any kidney disease, then in future whether he or she wants to adopt the program of dialysis or not. If the patient is suffering from any respiratory problem, then in future whether he or she wants to go on ventilator or not. इसी तरह अगर पेशेंट लिक्विड्स पे आ गया है और सॉलिड्स नहीं ले रहा, तो क्या वो आर्टिफिशियल फूड पाइप के जरिए खाना अंदर ले जाना पसंद करेगा? So this can be mentioned in the living will of the patient. In some states or in some countries of the world, living will is also acceptable verbally. Then other form of living will is known as terminal illness, which is irreversible. For example, the physician has noticed that the patient will die shortly. Then in this stage, the living will of the patient is very beneficial. The second type of advance directive is known as healthcare power of attorney. It is also known as durable care power or attorney, in which the patient decide his or her own agent or proxy. So this agent is responsible for making health decisions of the patient. So it is responsibility of the patient to discuss his or her wishes in a proper way with these agents. So advance directives should be applicable in the state, and it is better if your state has advanced directives ability, then it is better to everyone to use these advanced directives. ज़रूरी नहीं कि आप किसी बीमारी में मुब्तला हों और एडवांस डायरेक्टिव का इस्तेमाल करें, बल्कि इसके फॉर्म ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल हैं जिसका नाम है 5 wishes. लेकिन ये हमारी कंट्री के लिए एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है. जहाँ पे हम लिविंग विल का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, वहाँ पे हमें 2 गवाहों की ज़रूरत होती है, लेकिन ज़रूरी नहीं कि वो गवाह आपके फैमिली मेंबर हो. इसके लिए ज़रूरी है कि गवाह फैमिली मेंबर से बाहर हों. सो वी मस्ट encourage everyone to go for advanced directives in order to decide about the health, medical care or extended medical treatment.